Introducing the Kamikaze drone, a single-use high-speed drone with a payload of 2 kilograms. This incredible drone can fit in a backpack and be launched with just one hand. With a range of 10 kilometers or 20 minutes of flight time and a top speed of up to 286 kilometers per hour, this drone is not only fast but also highly maneuverable. But that's not all. The Kamikaze drone also has the ability to track a target and hover in place, making it the ultimate weapon in any military arsenal. It's no surprise that the United States Department of Defense is already interested in this technology. Our second feature today is the latest laser sight from EOTech, a top-notch American company that's been at the forefront of laser sights for shooting enthusiasts for years. And let me tell you, their latest creation is a game-changer. This tiny laser sight is the size of a deck of cards, making it super portable and easy to use. And with a battery that lasts for 9 hours, you won't have to worry about running out of power at the most inopportune times. EOTech offers both red and green lasers, with the latter being more visible in daylight and bad weather, and the divergence adjustment system for the infrared illuminator. Law enforcement and military authorities will be able to get their hands on the full version of this laser sight later this year for $2,200. Get ready to dive into the world of cutting-edge technology and experience the ultimate firearms training simulator. This engineering marvel is unlike anything you've ever seen before, as it's designed to resemble a high-tech video game that will blow your mind. Step into the simulator and you'll be transported to a whole new world of training scenarios where you'll face different locations, weather conditions, and even the time of day can change. But that's not all. With advanced artificial intelligence, the simulator can track every move you make. Say hello to the Rheinmetall. A German company renowned for its state-of-the-art tanks and guns has just unveiled the Fuchs Evolution, the ultimate armored personnel carrier. This beast is built with mobility, reliability, and protection in mind, and it delivers on all fronts. Its versatile platform can be transformed into various vehicles, from an ambulance to an engineering vehicle or even an electronic warfare system. And with a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour and a payload of 9 tons, the Fuchs Evolution packs a powerful punch. But that's not all, folks. Rheinmetall is committed to supporting the Fuchs Evolution for a whopping 20 years, so you won't have to worry about running out of spare parts or maintenance options. Prepare yourself for the ultimate drone-busting experience. Introducing an American-made creation that looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. This powerful weapon is not just for the military but also for police and embassy protection. The manufacturer behind this clever design guarantees it will be the ultimate solution for fighting drones. You may be wondering, how does it work? It's simple. Just aim the device at the drone and block its radio frequencies. Depending on the drone, some will land immediately while others will automatically return to their takeoff point. With a range of 2 kilometers and a 2-hour operating time, this device is perfect for protecting important locations. In February of this year, the highly anticipated Nemo container mobile mortar system was finally completed after years of dedicated hard work. This incredible system, which was first unveiled back in 2017, boasts a promising future unlike anything the world has ever seen before. Imagine a 6-meter container packed with 120mm mines and all the essential materials needed for independent operation. The Nemo system is capable of being fired from the ground, a ship's deck, or even a truck. And with just 3 skilled personnel to manage it, this system is fully customizable with a range of protective options available, including state-of-the-art ceramic armor. Get ready to experience the excitement of the Nemo container mobile mortar system.